Hello everybody, Nathan Adams Cars here again. I'm in Northern Virginia, Washington DC metro area. Work for Pohanka Acura, largest Acura dealership in the nation, in the world. I don't know if they count China and Australia and Canada, but anyway, I want to show you the backup camera that you get on, I think, all the new Acuras and Hondas now, because there's some feature that some people don't know about. Even when I show people who have had Hondas and Acuras in the past, they don't know about this, so I want to show it to you. This is the rear view camera test for the Acura and Honda products. The reason I'm showing you where I am now is just because it's a beautiful background, isn't it? The car that I'm showing you here is my 2015 TLX with technology package. But that's standard on every new Acura, the backup camera that I'm talking about. And I think this 3-view camera is standard on all new Hondas too, but I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, let's go inside the car and check it out. So before we go in though, I do want to show you my car and where we are so you can see how the test is going to work. This is the wall behind the parking garage. You can see I'm probably 8 to 12 inches from the wall. It's hard to see on the video there, but we're going to see how close I can get without hitting it. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and put the car in reverse. We're in drive right now. We'll go over to reverse. Let me show you that. As soon as I go into reverse, the camera pops up. So now if you look on the bottom where it says change view, I think on the newer ones it just shows you 3 different views. I'm going to press this enter dial right in the middle, just to toggle between the views. So this is a wide view. I have 180 degrees out to the side. And then I'm going to press that toggle button in the middle. This is a normal view. And then as we get closer, you're going to see the 3rd view, which is my favorite. This is a feature that a lot of people don't seem to know about. Press it again, this is a top-down view. Now, why is that so impressive? You're looking straight down. If you're coming up to a wall like we are now in a parking garage, or let's say a pole like a sign or something, you want to be able to judge without a skewed image, like a direct bird's eye view straight down, how close am I? How close can I get? That is the question. Huh, looks pretty close. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that you can see the line down here. That is where the wall meets the ground. So this dotted line is showing where I can open the trunk or the tailgate on an SUV, or basically what is a good safe distance. But I wanted to show you how precise this camera is and how much I trust it. Let's go to the outside and see where we are. All right, I realize it might look like you can't trust me, so I had to come back to the video. I'm going to show you me just putting in park and getting out without cutting at all here. So let me disconnect my charger cable. Sorry about that. So I'm filming this with my iPhone. Anyway, I'm going to put it in park. We're going to put the emergency brake on so my car doesn't roll at all because I'm extremely close. Again, this is not recommended, but I just want to show it to you. We're going to get out and we're going to see how close am I. I'm really not that close. It's pretty conservative, but it lets you really get so close. That's really cool, isn't it? All right, well, there's the test. I was actually surprised. I haven't gotten that close before. I knew I could, but I haven't done it like with the wall behind me like that. So going behind it and seeing that there's still 6 inches of space, or 4 inches, means even more peace of mind for me. This camera's really accurate. It really helps parallel parking and things like that. And people don't know enough about it. People don't talk about it enough. I really think it's an awesome feature. And if you start to learn how to use the camera, it can really help you in parking situations everywhere. At the mall, backing into spots, it's easier to get out. Why am I out of breath? It's easier to get out if you go to the mall parking spots and all that stuff. So yeah, use this camera and get a Honda or an Acura to get it. It's really nice. You should have it. If you have one, use it and stuff like that. Anyway, my name again is Nathan Adams Cars. You can see more of my content, more detailed car reviews and stuff like that on my channel as well. Please subscribe to this one to see that, or like my pages on Instagram and Facebook, Nathan Adams Cars. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.